Nigeria is a joke. Do you believe wípé àwọn tí wọ́n lọ pa àwọn èèyàn ní Benue State wọ́n ṣe meeting, àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ rí wọn gbà tí wọ́n ṣe meeting wípé àwọn fẹ́ lọ pa àwọn tó wà ní Benue State? Àṣírí tí ń tú báyìí ó rẹ̀ pé àwọn tó wà ní Benue State tí wọ́n pa yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ tó pé wọ́n pa àwọn ọmọ kókó, àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ọ̀run, aboyún, bẹ́ẹ̀ tó pé wọ́n dáná sun àwọn èèyàn lóòyẹ̀ ló expose kínní. People saw them. Well, it's not even so because wọ́n ní wọ́n hide ṣe meeting wọn. Wọ́n ní ọ̀sán gangan ni wọ́n ṣe meeting. Ìgbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ lọ attack gan, àwọn èèyàn wọn, àwọn family wọn ṣàdúrà fún wọn pé ẹ lọ re o, ẹ bọ̀ re o, ìkó kìí kọ́ bálá o, ìkó kìí kọ́ mejò lẹ́sẹ̀ o, láyọ̀ lẹ máa lọ, láyọ̀ lẹ máa bọ̀. Now who is fooling who? Who is deceiving who? Wọ́n láwọn èèyàn rí wọn, ara àwọn tó rí wọn tí wọ́n gbọ́ intelligent yẹn, wọ́n láwọn try láti fọ́ ilẹ̀ nípa people ti call sí àwọn necessary people tó yẹ kí wọ́n put call sí pé àwọn people yìí wọ́n ṣe meeting ni o, wọ́n dẹ̀ fi bo ọ̀sán gangan. Now they move. It's no longer a news. Wípé ní Benue State wọ́n pa èèyàn 200. Wọ́n pa ọmọdé, wọ́n pa àgbà, wọ́n pa oyún, wọ́n pa àṣẹ́dí. They burnt infants alive. They slaughter many kids. Now, someone has come out now láti wá sọ fún wa wípé ìgbà tí wọ́n ṣe meeting nìyẹn o, pàfẹ́ lọ pa àwọn arábí báyìí o, wọ́n ní wọ́n sọ. And gbígbọ́ yẹn kọ́ ló máa ṣọ́ọ̀kì yín tayọ wípé àwọn tí wọ́n lọ carry out operation yẹn, àwọn tí wọ́n tẹ̀lé wọn lọ carry out operation yẹn ló máa ṣọ́ọ̀kì yín. Wọ́n ti arrest. According to what President Bola Ahmed Tinubu said, the GCFR of Nigeria, that the service chief to make sure pé àwọn arrest àwọn tí wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn. But kíní kan confuse me. If we continue this way, did you hear anything from Sultan of Sokoto? Just anything. Najat Muhammad, just anything. Gbogbo àwọn Northern Leaders Forum tí wọ́n form alliance. Nígbà tí wọ́n pa 16 ní Rome, 16 acclaimed hunters tí wọ́n pa ní Rome. See them granting interview every here and there. But now, wọ́n ti lọ sọ́lùdé. None of them is saying anything, including àwọn Yorùbá tí wọ́n pera wọn láàfáà tó ń torí ẹ̀sìn sórí ibú. Can we just listen to this? Ó máa ṣọ́ọ̀kì yín, and bó dẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣọ́ọ̀kì yín yẹn, ẹ má gbàgbé láti tẹ thumb up lórí show yìí. Let's share it kí gbogbo ayé lè bá rí nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ta ló ń tanra wọn? This is enough. Ṣé yìí pa àwọn people gan, according to what people are saying, pé wọ́n wà nínú strong covenant kan. Ṣé yìí pa wà nínú nǹkan kan tẹ́ bá tẹ̀ wá wà nínú ẹ̀ náà, at least lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan máa try láti máa bend, ẹ̀yin olórí yẹn máa bend law lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan. Wọ́n kò ló máa pa ẹ̀kọ́ wá kàn wọlé wọ́n dẹ̀ pa àwọn èèyàn. You think anything will happen? They play. Everybody now wọ́n ti di zombie Nigeria. Everybody is now waiting for their own turn. Àmín tó máa kàn lọ́la. Àmín tó máa kàn lọ́la. Let's listen to this man.
More than 200 people were killed. When I woke up this morning and I got the story of what happened, the first 7 calls I put across were all killed. The first 7 guys I called.
You tried to call, we're all dead.
Exactly. They were all dead. So in my village today, if you speak to someone, just be very rest assured that in the next 1 week or 2 weeks, you hear the sad news about that person you've just spoken to. And do you know, before now, just last month, about 20 people were killed in that same village. They are the Fulani, and it's not ethnic profiling. They are the Fulani, it's not ethnic profiling. When people want to be politically correct, they will say no, that is an ethnic, it's not, and that is why you see the Sultan of Sokoto will not react to this. He reacted when just about 11 people were butchered were killed in Edo State, the so-called hunters. They reacted. They put up Northern Elders Forum. They made several press conferences. Many governors stood up. The governor of Edo had to travel to some of these states to go and say sorry. Just 11 hunters. That is alleged hunters. If really they were hunters who were killed. Now 200. Nobody in the north is speaking because that is the collective agenda. Jihad and the complete takeover of the land of our people. And let me tell you, so I'm saying it authoritatively. I'm an authority in this area. I was born and raised in Jos. I speak Hausa as my first language. I speak Hausa better than I speak Tiv. And let me tell you, this thing they call intelligence. We are the sources of this intelligence. The government sometimes use the narrative of intelligence to confuse you, as if what they know is different. They know exactly what we know, or we even know better, because we are the sources of this intelligence. Many of my friends from the adjoining villages in Nasarawa State, who are of different ethnic group other than the Fulanis, anytime the Fulanis are mobilizing, like this attack, they told us day before yesterday. We communicated to the security force. Nothing has been done.
No, just hold on, because this is too much to rush. I'm sorry. Are you saying that you got an intelligence report as a civilian? Your community had an intelligence report about this particular attack that killed over 200 people, and you.
My sister, do you know the funny thing? It is no longer secret. It's just like the secret cultism in Nigeria. They gathered their AK-47 in a community called Giza in Nasarawa State, in the boundary between Nasarawa and Benue, in Giza and Kadorko. All our friends from there, and they come out in the open way. They are just in the whole meeting openly. You know, they are going to strike in Hirota, and then some people begin to bid them farewell. Allah Kulafia. May God take you safely. May God take you safely. Yes, they came in more than 100 bites. Listen, but that is how your country has degenerated. That these things are done in broad daylight. It has degenerated. And let me tell you, let me also shock you. About 7 soldiers, I'm saying it as it is, about 7 soldiers joined them from the Giza, the community, adjoining my own village. They arrested one who uttered all this, made this confession. He said some of the soldiers from Giza trained them of ethnic Fulani ethnic stock, and they joined them. They commandeered the whole thing. So what they did yesterday was extremely tactical and strategic with military precision. And right now there are a lot of tea villages in my council ward that will be taken over by Fulani. They take over not just for grazing, but for proper settlement. You go to these villages today, you find even their kids crawling, small kids who are yet to start walking. They brought them, you know, their families, occupying thief homes, thief houses, which are still standing, occupying those houses, and they have their kids there, not just their cattle. So it's not all about open grazing prohibition. It's about total takeover of the land.
A message to Fulani people don't talk, say, look, they want they won't carry this country, make it become their own. But then they come and say, they Fulani too. Now then they get Nigeria. Fulani nationality movement. Now them attempted to assassinate me. Help me that day. I tell you, these people say Nigeria. Now the only country where belongs to them. They don't write them. I have documents to show this. I don't send them to president. I don't send them to police. I don't send them to DSS. These people say, look, nothing will stop them because they wanted this revolution in 1800 and they could not achieve it by Ottoman Danfodio. But now they must take over. That they have the money, they have the power, they have the weapons, and they have everything. So this time they must take over.
A message to the Senate President Godwin Akpabio, then a message to House of Assembly, and a message to House of Rep and Presidency. I call upon you on this comment that Brigadier General Abdul Malik Bulama Biu made to Nigeria, that Boko Haram should lay down their arm, that they have second life, they have future in the community, that they stand a chance in any position and they can be rehabilitated into anything in this country. He made the comment. I call upon you now. Brigadier General Bulaman is the 7th GOC, while Major General A.E. Abubakar is the former GOC 3D and is now the theater commander in Meduguri. The reason why I call upon you now, any proposal where they give concerning the operation, concerning anything that is happening in the Northeast, you people should investigate those 2 generals. You people should know any proposal they give, any allocation they say they want to use in any operation. You people should investigate them and question them and let them know what they are going to use that money for. And if any soldier complain of a bad welfare, if any soldier complain of anything, or if any location was be attacked, just know that is Brigadier General Bulama Biu and Major General A.E. Abaka. They are the problem, they are the cause, they are the one that arranged for that operation in Maiduguri. Because two devils are now in Maiduguri this year. You will see how you people will be spending unnecessary money on different operations. After the operation, they don't do anything. After the operation, problem remain the same. No wonder Brigadier General Bulaman Biu, no wonder rehabilitation of Boko Haram when they talk. I don't witness them from Ogunu. Why you people will give repentant Boko Haram when una cause it and the repentant Boko Haram una gather them for inside Maiduguri? Then they go they follow soldier till they do advance. Una go give soldier ordinary rifle. Then repentant Boko Haram go there with supporting weapon, PKT, RPG. Why soldier go there with ordinary rifle? No wonder I witness am. Not be evident una define. I witness am. Let me shock you. I go to Sanity 2 operation in Maiduguri, where I operated in Kukawa area. How una carry repentant Boko Haram follow us on that contrary of that advance. A sergeant who is the driver, who is a driver to a Tata, to one truck, he want to ease himself. Just want to ease him, make him go shit. As he shit finish, on his way coming, see where motor they see where he go shit. Now so this repentant Boko Haram, just him, the man just put in full torchlight for man, just the wear trouser, he just they come. Now so this repentant Boko Haram open fire, he killed this sergeant. They not do the Boko Haram anything. They not do the Boko Haram anything. Could you imagine the officers of the Nigerian army was blaming the dead body of that sergeant? Why not shit? Why the sergeant not shit for near a motor? Why ain't go come up for where a motor? They go the shit for another place. They were blaming the dead body. I shake my head. Repentant Boko Haram. 9 army take the attack location for Maiduguri. Don't be any other thing. Any successful location for Maiduguri, when terrorists, when Boko Haram they attack, they made away with army property. They made away with ammunition and everything. Now repentant Boko Haram, when they rehabilitate to the community, they come carry the joint army. They carry some as civilian get here in Maiduguri. Now they run out that operation, and that plan was being made by Brigadier General Abdul Malik Bulama Biu. Now they plan all the whole problem when they happen for Maiduguri. All the old soldiers when they die for Maiduguri, from a time and before a time, now that they cope together. Is that not aiding and abetting rebellion? They are rebellion. Major General A.E. Abaka and Brigadier General Abdul Malik Bulama Biu, not them. They are rebellion to Nigeria army. They are rebellion to Nigeria. So I urge the government to investigate those people. You will see that more problem will be coming down to Maiduguri. Because why? Major General A.E. Abaka cannot be able to solve Plateau State problem. He ran to Maiduguri. Now they are still killing. Recently, 3 days ago, they killed sergeant. They cut his head, come out. A neck, they cut and come out. They carry a weapon, go. A whole Nigerian soldier, or sergeant in the Nigerian army. Sub-sergeant in the Nigerian army, Fulani herdsmen cut his head to carrying weapon go in Plateau State, where Major General A.E. Abaka become the GOC. He cannot be able to conquer, to give effective command. That they embrace terrorists. That's why terrorists, they gather, that they invite their brother, they enter. Say they not they kill anybody for Nigeria. They know the Nigeria government not they do anything. Even their forces, they know they do anything. Now our brother. So I urge the Senate, House of Assembly, House of Rep to call those 2 people in Maiduguri concerning this video, to call them any operation, they should investigate them. If they did not do what they gave them that money to do, what they gave them that money to run operation, if they did not do it, they should retire them. And if they found anything, if any terrorist said they are the ones sponsoring them, he confessed, they should go and arrest them and kill them. Because that's how they have been killing innocent soldiers in Maiduguri.
Now, let's listen to VERYDARKMAN. I want to threaten.
I want to do this video for one guy.
One guy.
They are calling that guy VERYDARKMAN. VDM as bandits strike your people. You go there and be saying rubbish. Warn your people. This is just the beginning, VERYDARKMAN. Warn them. This is just the beginning. They never see something. And I want to tell you something. Fulani are not like government. I'm seeing you in social media abusing government, doing this. Fulani are not like government. You have to be very careful. You have to be very careful. Last month, I come meet with one video. Benue State people, they give Fulanis 14 days to come out in their states. That one is rubbish now.
That one is rubbish.
They don't have that right to chase out Fulani in their state. Whether you state peace with Fulani or they should leave Benue State.
You hear that?
You can see the number of cows they are killing in Benue State in this season. They are killing innocent Fulani in Benue State. You didn't say anything, but now, after this strike, you go there be saying nonsense. So you have to be very careful. This is just the beginning.
This is just the beginning.
This is just the first strike. So Nigeria are not like government. Be careful, VERYDARKMAN.
Alright, so you don't hear the message when I received today. So I was able to check the TikTok handle that sent it. This is the face of the person and this is the TikTok. Me, I'm not even bothered about the threat. You understand? I'm not bothered because even him where they make the video, now out of fear, now I make that video. You don't fear, so okay, this guy don't create awareness around this issue. Maybe it's time to drop a video that will scare him. But that's not my problem. He said something in the video. He said, if Benue people will not learn to live with the Fulanis, then the Benue people should leave their state. That's a very strong statement.
Very, very strong statement.
And then he also said that is just one attack and there will be multiple attacks coming soon for the Benue people. Well, I believe so we get government, and I don't know why these people are so confident to be posting these things online. Again, no be the first time. So it don't be me like normal thing now. But at the end of the day, it is not normal. You know, when somebody go just come online, drop something. If you defame anybody online, they go track you down. They'll carry you come. They will arrest you if you defame. According to them, defamation. Any big man, they'll go arrest you. But when these guys come out to threaten government officials, they don't go fit talk. You understand? Anyways, my brother, I would like to tender an apology to you, but I would like to tender the apology in person. I won't see you, make I beg you. Say me, you know, verse, say I go Benue State, go create awareness surrounding the issue. I want to beg you one-on-one. You understand? Please, brother, you can drop me your location. Yeah. You know, I can even send you a DM. I'll send you a DM now. If you send me your location, if you send you my own, you understand, so that you come, then I will apologize to you for going to Benue State to raise an awareness. And this one where you talk, say, okay, when I go still go there, go attack. My brother, you better prepare yourself, oh. Prepare yourself. Because I want to believe, say, the Benue youths, they're not going to sleep by this kind of time. So don't make that attack too far. Any attack you want to do, don't make it too far. Do it soon. You understand? And Benue youth, they are not playing. That's the only thing I can tell you. That's the only thing I can tell you. So no, don't play. If you play, go learn and go learn the hard way.
Don't play. You're not going to learn in a hard way. Without videos, those videos stay away. Can you just give this video a thumb up? Put your comments, your opinions in the comment section. And remember to subscribe to YouTube channel. At YouTube channel, YORUBAWUYI. ẹ follow wa lórí Facebook àti TikTok. Ẹ bá mi download tap send. Ẹ lo promo code Abiola TTS ní àkọ́kọ́ tẹ́ bá fẹ́ send owó sí Nàìjíríà anyway tẹ́ bá wà ní. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti lo promo code yẹn so ẹ lè gba bonus ní first time tẹ́ bá send owó sí Nàìjíríà. Now we all heard them. Tó bá yẹ pé ẹ ní ọmọ ìyá àbọ̀mọ bàbá tàbí ẹ̀gbọ́n tàbí àbúrò tàbí ọkọ especially tí wọ́n bá ní ọmọ nínú Nigeria army of today, advice wo lẹ lè fún ọmọ yẹn, brother sister yín yẹn, advice wo lẹ lè fún tó wà nínú Nigeria army of today according to kọtẹ ẹ gbọ́ yìí. Now wọ́n ní this is just the beginning. Multiple strikes on the way on the Benue people. Time tí mo ṣe kínní lọ́wọ́ ó ti pé 24 hours tí boy yìí ti sọ̀rọ̀. Kí ló yẹ kí Nigeria government ti ṣe fún ọmọ tó sọ̀rọ̀, ọmọ burúkú tó sọ̀rọ̀ yìí? Kí ló yẹ kí Nigeria government ti ṣe fún? A sọ fún yín pé àwọn people yìí ẹ pé VERYDARKMAN gan ó ní I don't know why these people will come online and talk. VERYDARKMAN, be calming down. Even the first lady of Nigeria, Senator Olúrẹ̀mí Tinubu, the first time tó wà tó kọ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wo orí àpèrè ṣé ti gbàgbé ni wípé ẹnìkan bọ́ta ó ní kàn pa Rẹ̀mí Tinubu ó tó pé infidel ni aláìgbàgbọ́ ni ó lè kàn pa ni. If your president cannot do anything, cannot even make an arrest, ìmáàmù ló bọ́ta o tó sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o pé Rẹ̀mí Tinubu ó jèrè ikú tó pé kò kí ń ṣe mùsùlùmí tó máa lè arrest ẹ̀. So ta ni wọ́n lè threaten? Gbogbo àwọn tó máa ń ṣe defamation of character they are nowhere to be found now láti wá defend ilé. Ṣé wàá rí reason táwọn Fúlàní ṣe nílé pa Sunday Igboho? Ẹ ti get reason yẹn sìn. Creating awareness to your people is a sin to them. Tó bá ń gbìyànjú láti la àwọn èèyàn lójú, láti jí wọn lójú ohun pé ẹ má sùn o báyìí irú àwa yìí sìn we are threats to them. Ẹ má sùn o wọ́n ń bọ̀ o wọ́n dé o báyìí náà tó fẹ́ ṣe o, because they have the support of Nigeria army according to what the guy said. They want to make arrest the army kan. This is why tí wọ́n fẹ́ release Nnamdi Kanu. And this is why tí wọ́n fẹ́ kó lè Sunday Adéyẹmọ Ìgbòho ṣá kó wá sí Nàìjíríà padà. Wọ́n fẹ́ kó wọlé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá padà. They control everything, both living things in Nigeria and non-living things. They control everything ní Nigeria yẹn. Now tada máa sábà nísìn. Wọ́n láwọn àmì tàmátì tí ẹ̀ máa lọ sábà pé gbà wọ́n o. Wọ́n láwọn àmì wà lára wọn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn fámìlì wọn yẹn tí wọ́n sọ fún wọn pé dàbọ̀ o aláìyá ṣàkàlà àbí kí ló sọ pé they will go safe journey kán lọ láyọ̀ kán bọ̀ láyọ̀. Àwọn fámìlì wọn yẹn ṣé wọn ò mọ̀ wípé wọ́n fẹ́ lọ pààyàn ni àbí wọ́n ọkàn jọ jẹ́ olórí burúkú Family Association of Nigeria Limited àbí wọ́n rí bí normal thing. So terrible. This is not funny any longer at all. Kò funny. Kò funny. Ẹ bá wa share fídíò yìí àmẹ́ni tó lè kàn. Mo pé fídíò kan náà lè máa àwọn onítíátà tó ń blow lẹ́nìí fíìmù kan náà ṣe tí wọ́n blow fídíò kan ni mo pé ta máa ṣe. Ó lè má jẹ́ mi, ó lè jẹ́ anybody ló máa ṣe. Ẹnìkan ló máa share ẹ̀ or ẹnìkan ló máa kọ comment lórí ẹ̀ tó máa fi gbalẹ̀ Yorùbá inú àgbákò aburú tí orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà fẹ́ kó wa sí. Identity wa ó sọnù. Ẹ̀rọ àwọn tó pé wọ́n tó àwọn ilé àwọn tí fi ó ní wọ́n ti ń gbélé wọn láì tí kó ẹ̀gìrì wọ́n ti ń fawọ ẹ̀gbẹ́gbẹ̀dú. Wọ́n ti lé àwọn ọmọ onílùú kúrò nílùú wọ́n ti ń gbélé wọn. Ṣé àgbọn tó sọ if they cannot live with Fulani, the Benue State people, kí wọ́n fìlú wọn sílẹ̀. Food basket lẹ́gbọ́n yẹn o, food basket of Nigeria àpẹẹrẹ àwọn ní food basket state. Fulani ní kán fìlú wọn sílẹ̀. Yorubawuyi lórúkọ mi. Yorubawuyi lèmi ń jẹ́ o. If you are coming across this page for the first time, I am the one and only Akalolo of Yoruba land. Adáwọn ọ̀lẹ́ Yorùbá ọmọ ìjọmọdọ̀ Yorùbá èyí tí ó pè méjì. Abẹni ọmọ tí ó ṣe pààrọ̀. Ẹni tó máa pààrọ̀ ti wá déwájú federal government. Tó máa sáìn ní ọmọ adéwájú Elédùmarè. Iye òkè Ọlọ́run lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ ó lè kú bí 99 times yes. Tó bá padà wá sáyé kó wá Disney tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ má wọ inú mi lásán nǹkan tẹ́ bá rí sí. See you in the comment section. Fi máa ka comment yín. Ẹ share video fáwọn tó mọ̀ pé tẹ́ share sí. Ẹ má gbé láti drop thumb up lórí ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ti subscribe sí YouTube channel wa. Ẹ subscribe sí. Ẹ subscribe sí orí ìrìn Yorubawuyi náà. A ó mọ ríra pẹ̀ láyọ̀. I love you, bye bye.